A train traveled a certain distance at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 6 km per hour more, it would have needed 4 hours less. Had the speed been 6 km per hour less, it would have needed 6 hours more. The distance in kilometer traveled by the train. Let the speed of train be s km per hour, okay, and time taken is t hours. Let's say speed is s and time is t. So what is the distance traveled by the train? S into t, right? Okay, s is the speed and t is the time. In this question, distance is constant, right? So what I can do is st. Now, had the speed have been 6 km per hour more. Now, if speed is s plus 6, right? If speed is s plus 6, it would have needed 4 hours less. So, time is t minus 4, right? 4 hours less. Now, this is equal to, if the speed be 6 km less per hour less, right? So, this is s minus 6. It would have needed 6 hours more. So, time would have been t plus 6, right? Okay. Now, we have to find the distance traveled by the train, right, in kilometer. That means we have to find st. So, or any of the three expressions, just just substitute the value of s and t. So, we have to solve for s and t. Now, we can make two equations. Better we can take this and this, okay. So, here st and st will get cancelled, right. So, one will get 0 is equal to, this will be 6t minus 4s, right, 4s, 6t minus 4s minus 24, okay. So, we got, take 24 this side. So, we got one equation is 6t minus 4s equals to 24, okay, or I can cancel by 2. So, we got 3t minus 2s is equal to 12. We got one equation here, okay. Another equation I can take this and this. Better to take the first and second and first and last, because these two will be more calculation, right. So, again st and st will get cancelled. We will get minus 60, right, minus 60. I think better we not cancel it, because 60 and 60 will get cancelled. So, here better not to cancel it. Let us keep it like this, okay. So, in the previous one, let us keep it like this only, okay. Now, this and this. So, minus 60, okay, plus 6s, okay, equal to minus 60 plus 6x minus 36 equal to 0. So, equal to 36. So, we got the second equation, right. Let's call it 1 and 2. Now, let's add them. If you add them, 60 got cancelled. 6x minus 4s will be 2s. 2s is equal to 36 plus 24. That is 60. So, we will get s equals to 30. So, speed we got 30 km per hour. Now, let's put the value of s in any one of these, right. S is 30. So, we can put it here, right. So, I am substituting this s equal to 30 in the first expression, first equation, right. So, 60 minus 30 into 4, 120 is equals to 24, or 60 equals to 144, or t equals to 6 to the 12, okay, 6 4 the 24, t is 24 hours. Now, the question is, what is the distance traveled in kilometer? Distance is st, right, s into t. So, it will be s into 2, so st, so it will be 30 into 24, right. So, it's 30 into 24, or it is 720. So, answer is 720 kilometer, right. So, 720 is the answer, right. This is one way of doing it. Another way we can do it is, you see here, speed and time, right. Now, you see speed, okay. So, when the speed was 6 km per hour more, right. So when speed was s plus 6, time taken was time taken, okay. When speed was 6 km per hour more, time taken was t minus 4, right? And when the speed was s, let's say time taken was t. When the speed was 6 km per hour less, s minus 6, time is 6 hours more, okay, 6 hours more. Look at this. Here, speed is in AP, right? AP, arithmetic progression. Speed is in AP, distance is constant. So, if speed is in AP, okay, it's double E. So, if speed is in AP, distance is constant, then time will be in harmonic progression, HP, right? And vice versa, right? Okay, if time is in AP, speed will be in HP if distance is constant. Now, so this is in harmonic progressions. So this T is, this is the harmonic mean of this and this, right? So we can say harmonic mean. So T is equal to a harmonic mean, you know, harmonic mean of AB is 2AB by A plus B. So T equals to 2AB. So 2 into T plus 6 into T minus 4 by 2AB, right? Sorry, so it is 2AB by A plus B. So it will be just a minute. So it will be 2AB by A plus B, that is T plus 6 plus T minus 4, right? So T equals to so it will be T equals to now you can put it here, right? So it will be 2 into T square minus 4T plus 60 plus 2T minus 24, right? And divided by 2T plus 2, right? I can take 2 common, so it will be 2 times T plus 1, right? 2 cancelled. So if you cross multiply, it is T square plus T equals to T square plus 2T minus 24, or here T square got cancelled, okay. So T equals to 24. We got T equals to 24, okay. So T is 24. Now we have to find the this thing, that the distance, I mean the speed. Now you can take any two data, right? So you have that s minus 6 into t plus 6. This is the distance, and it will be same as st, right? We can put s equal t equals 24 here. So s minus 6, and this is 24 plus 6, 30, and this is 24 into s, right? 6 5 ja, 6 4 ja, right? Okay. So 5s, so if you solve it, 5s minus 4s, s is equal to 30. So we got s equals to 30 and t equals to 24. So basically distance will be 30 into 24. So the answer is 720. So 720 kilometers is the answer. So answer option 1. Okay.